Hi reviewees, this is Tutor Marife. Let's finish the solution of this problem. How many integers between 197 and 303 are divisible by 4 or 10? The choices are A 37, B 31, C 26, D 25. The goal is to apply this union of two sets formula. Based on this formula, the number of elements of union of two sets is equal to the sum of the number of elements of each set minus the number of elements of the intersection of two sets. In this problem, the two sets are the set of integers divisible by 4 and the set of integers divisible by 10. And we are asked to find the number of elements of the union of two sets. So with reference to this union of two sets formula, our formula is number of terms or integers divisible by 4 or 10 is equal to number of terms divisible by 4 plus number of terms divisible by 10 minus number of terms divisible by 4 and 10. In the first part of our solution, we found that the number of terms divisible by 4 within this given interval is 26. In the second part of the solution, we found that the number of terms divisible by 10 is 11. And in the third part of the solution, we found that the number of terms divisible by 4 and 10 is 6. Therefore, the number of terms divisible by 4 or 10 is equal to 26 plus 11 minus 6, or 37 minus 6, which is equal to 31. The correct answer is 31. Choose B.